Hello everybody, welcome back to MommaKnows Best. Today I have some Marshmellow wireless earbuds made by JVC, and I grabbed these because I was trying to find something that was, sort of bargain friendly, and I wanted them for sleeping, basically. Kind of like right before I go to sleep, I like to listen to audiobooks and things of that nature. And so, even though I have AirPods and that sort of thing, like when you're laying down or trying to get comfortable, at least for me, if I turn too much to either side, like the AirPods will fall out, or I also have the Bose Sound Sport, and those stick out of your ear quite a bit. So if you lay on one side or the other, it makes it pretty uncomfortable. So I grabbed these here to see if these could work out for me. So here they are. I got them in black. Also, what I like to see was the 14-hour battery life. That was a real bonus for me. So here's the front. We have the side here. Have some little marshmallows on there. Here's the back. Now, as you can see, these have a neck band on there. So I figured those would stay put while I'm, if I end up dozing off or taking a nap or something like that, while listening to music or the audiobooks or anything like that. They have a piece of tape here. Just gonna cut that. Let's get in here and see what they actually look like. They weren't too expensive at all. I got these for about 40 bucks. So this is everything that's inside the box. About to rip that up, but instructions and different things as far as the warranty and that sort of thing. And here are the instructions. You guys care to see that at all? So here they are. The unboxing experience isn't anything to cheer about. Of course, is nowhere near like Apple or anything. But hopefully the product is pretty good. So here we go. So you have the earphones. You have a very thin feeling, this is micro USB to USB charger. Looks pretty thin and pretty short, honestly. I'm pretty sure I have some laying around that are a little more durable and higher quality, so more than likely I'll use those. And then you have I guess ear tips that you can change out. So that's basically it for inside. And here are the actual earphones. You have, you can see here, you have volume up, volume down, and a play. This here seems to be the power. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the power button there. On this side, we have nothing. Doesn't seem to be anything on this side. And then you have the band. The band feels pretty good. Actually reminds me of the Beats X band, whereas it's a band, but it's not a stiff band to where it has to be something that's really cutting into your neck, and it doesn't have any flex to it. It's very flexible. You see, and here are the actual earbuds. You have JVC there, branding on the back, and you have the marshmallow tips. And as you can see, these tips can bend, and they're pretty mushy, like a marshmallow. So you can pretty much squeeze these, stick them in your ear, and then let them, pretty much puff up to form around your ear, so your ear hole. So that should really be a total difference, in opposed to something like the AirPods. So should be pretty comfortable, and you may even get a pretty decent sound, seeing as though it should be basically sealing off in your ear. So here are the earphones, and here's what you get. And I really appreciate you guys taking your time and checking out this video. If it's something that you wanted to know about these earphones that I did not cover, just leave a message in the comments, and I'll definitely answer those questions. And thanks for watching.